A lot of people ask what is art therapy and how is it different from making art? Well, in the simplest terms, art therapy is like any other therapy, like psychotherapy. It's interesting because art is like wordless story. It enables people to express themselves and often find words to things that they couldn't put words to before. In art therapy, the focus is on the process of art making, not on the art itself. So it doesn't really matter how good you are at the art making. It is more about how it makes you feel and the process of making it and the insights that you gain from the creation process. It is a language of self-exploration and it can reveal things, even the lines, shapes and the color that you use. Everyone's creative, really, and art therapy is for pretty much everybody. Art therapists, unlike what people think, we don't make judgments about people's art. That's really something for the individual to make sense of. Rather, we try to encourage our clients to explore their own internal state through art making process, to reveal things that make sense to them for their own meaning. So really what we do is encourage them to think about lines, shapes and colors, the effect of making the art has on them and identifying ways that feel right for their own situation. Art therapy is a very powerful health enhancing treatment. It's widely used for a range of mental issues. So unlike a lot of people think that art therapy is an art class, where you will learn some skill on how to paint and things like that. It's really not about learning an art. It's not a class. It's all about exploring your own feelings and different art forms to express your own emotions. So at the Sevenfold, we do conduct a lot of art therapy workshops and retreats for corporates as well as individuals, where we invite a lot of people from various walks of life to just come and explore their emotions, and they feel much more lighter and better at the end of it. Art therapy is a creative process and human beings are creative beings. And you don't have to be an artist to be creative. So come and join in one of our workshops and explore your creative side and reconnect with yourself.